Welcome to our 2024 holiday photo shoot. Hope you guys enjoy.
$24.99 special. You can get 2 packs.
What are you talking about?
I'm just here so I don't get mine. That's what Marshawn said.
You're not Tasha.
So this year we journeyed to Birmingham, Alabama to Aesthetic Studio for our Christmas photos. I immediately fell in love with their set when I saw it on Instagram. It looked so warm and so inviting. I absolutely loved the design. It was everything.com. And I loved the fact that they had 2 different options in terms of the set that we would be able to do our photos on. So for the first set, we went with more, cozy, relaxing type outfits that I'll share with you. And I thought they fit perfectly with this set. And I loved all of the small details that she added. Just it was so homey. I love the Christmas houses, the Christmas mugs. She just did an incredible job decorating the set. I love the tables, the nutcrackers. I love the gift wrapping. So many excellent ideas and a job well done. Now, you guys know I decorate Christmas sets as well, but I really love the way that she pulled this entire look together. Now, speaking of pulling the look together, my husband and I wanted to go with like Hallmark movie, best holiday or the perfect holiday type outfit, something cozy and comfortable, something that you could wear to your parents' house, for Christmas. And so this is what my photo looked like and our photos look like together. And these are raw images, not yet edited, but I wanted to share them with you so that you can get a look of the final look. And so next up, we did pajamas. And so this one was a kind of, the whole layout was kind of, my husband came up with the concept for this whole setup. He wanted to kind of be like really cozy, like we were relaxing, watching TV together, more or less like, when we're home. Now the pajamas that we're wearing were silk, but they were very, very comfortable. And I love the way that they looked against the set. We wanted to play off of the browns and the blacks in the set. And you guys, absolutely loved them. I love the way that these photos turned out, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So be sure you're following me over at my Instagram or my Facebook, as I'll be sharing more of the still shots there, as well as in my stories. So I'll play some music and you guys can kind of watch as we pose, and hopefully you can come up with some really good ideas in terms of, taking your family photos.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Yeah, right here. Y'all see this right here. This is a custom-made suit. It is a peak lapel, pick stitching with the double vents in the back. Went with a gold stripe on the left breast, and then a black and gold stripe on the right side. And then on my right sleeve, you have the gold with the cream and the black. And I completed the ensemble with the Gucci tennis shoes, the 545 Gucci tennis shoes on the feet. Now, it's not a real close-up shot where you can see the type of cufflinks that I have on or the JoJo diamond watch I have on, but I'm just bloop, bloop, blooping right there. You know it. That's all it is. I'm out of here.
And I am in here with this amazing jumpsuit. You guys know I love jumpsuits, and since bows have been all the rave this year, I decided to go with this bow jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. I loved it so much that I actually got it in both the black and the red. I would tell you to size up because, you know, it can be really tight fitting, and I wanted a little bit of room. So what I did was I sized up and I got a large instead of a medium, and then I had my seamstress to cut it down to give me more of a tailored look. But it fit perfectly with this glam aspect of the set, and oh my goodness, I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your favorite space down in the comments below, and let me know what color you decorated your home in this holiday season. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Happy holidays. And don't forget to stay tuned, you guys. Turn on your notifications. Make sure that you're still subscribed, because I have yet to do our Christmas home tour this year. And my husband just finished filming it a few days ago. And so I'm in the process of editing. And so you should be getting these videos back to back. So stay tuned. I have so many tips, tricks, and ideas to share with you. I got some clothes baskets. I have taken a Christmas tree course a couple of years ago. And one of the tips that she offered was to separate out your ornaments, which made it so much easier. And let me tell you, that has been a game changer in terms of me decorating. And I'm always so excited to open up my ornaments to see all of the goodies that I have from year to year. It's almost like, you know, opening it up for the first time. And so I separated them out into the different laundry baskets, and I loved this process. It really streamlined my Christmas tree decorating process. So turn on your notifications. Stay tuned for the announcement after this, and I will see you soon in the next video. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Luxe Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Luxe lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Luxe Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxeacademy.online.